I'm sat there in the kitchen and there's like 45 chefs and Mrs. Ramsay, table one. I said, what? What do you mean? It's like, she's joking? She's taking the piss? She said, no, she wants it more cooked. I'm like, for fuck's sake. I don't want beef with blood in it, Gordon. I need beef with flavour. I'm like, Mum, you can't overcook a Wellington. She said, well, then don't serve it to me. I'm like, oh my God.
Michelin critics got nothing on Mrs. Ramsay, damn.
Honestly, no. And she was staying, they very kindly put her up in the penthouse suite, and she got into the suite, and the butler was knocking on the door and said, Mrs. Ramsay, can I run your bath? And she said, certainly not, I can run my own. And so she had no idea that we're trying to look after her, but that's what mums are like, right?
Yeah, I love that.